What is the purpose of this channel? I'm about to build a 400 square foot cabin at the back of my house. It's going to be an efficiency floor plan with 1 bathroom. As you can see here, I will show you all the construction process from A to Z, starting with the utilities, which is going to include, in my case, putting a septic system, running a main water line, running a main electrical line. Then we're going to jump into foundation work, floor framing, wall framing, roofing, plumbing, electricity, running the HVAC, doing the siding outside, the waterproofing, the windows, the doors. So you get the picture. We're really gonna do everything. Once that's all said and done, I plan on renting it out on Airbnb as a short-term rental. And I'm hoping, really hoping, that this will actually offset most of my mortgage, if not all of it. So we'll find out how successful it gets. So why would you listen to me? I am not a builder, but I'm a residential structural engineer, meaning that I design houses for a living, meaning that I'm pretty knowledgeable about local building codes. You could ask, well, why would I bother about following building codes and pulling all the permits? It's really expensive, it's more tedious. That's true. But if you're trying to, let's say, reappraise your property after you've built this cabin, well, if everything has been done properly with the proper permits, then the new cabin will be included in your appraisal, meaning that you will raise the value of your property. In addition, if you plan on renting out this space, which is what I plan on doing, and you haven't pulled all the necessary permit, you're really opening yourself up to a lot more liabilities this way. So in addition to this, I will also make sure to provide a really great quality of production with clear instruction, good quality video, good audio, and I will definitely make sure to share the list of materials, the list of tools that I'm using, and all sorts of information concerning the budgeting and the cost that I'm incurring by building this cabin. I really want it to be as transparent as possible so that you know exactly what you're getting into if you're planning on building a similar cabin or the same one. So who is this channel for? Well, any DIYers who loves a good challenge and want to go through a very fulfilling endeavor, building something with their own hands while creating an investment. Any house hackers, side hustlers, investors, or anyone from the FIRE crowd that is looking to get an additional stream of income that will potentially cover their mortgage. Or maybe someone minimalistic that would like to live mortgage-free in a small space. Or maybe someone that needs additional space and would like to build a mother-in-law suite, maybe a space for their teenage children, maybe a gym, or maybe an office, as more and more people are working from home nowadays. I hope I convinced you to stick around as I embark on this journey, which is going to be amazing, challenging, and probably long. I'm looking forward to showing you every step of the way, so thank you for tuning in.